Okay, so here I just installed a grow light in my garage for my pimento peppers. These peppers tend to get some little white flies that stick underneath them, so when they're outdoors. So I decided to try a grow light inside. The pimento peppers, if you're not aware, they're flavorful peppers, but they're not hot in the hot scale, but they are very flavorful, so that's what I'm trying to grow. I just built a simple frame, and then this unit, it's a VIPAR Spectra, right? It's a 200 watt LED light, and it has adjustments on it that you could dim it down. It also comes with a pretty good instruction manual, which is here, and it shows you how to install it and the light spectrum that you get with different heights. So it has a 3-year warranty. Typically you install it in a box like this with 2 lights, or a single box, a small 2x2. This is a 2x4 box with 2 lights, and you could daisy chain them over here. All right, it does come with a cable, which I'm not using because I only have 1 light right now. Now the lowest height is 12 inches, so it's about 12 inches, and you can see the lights over here. And I'm going to try it and see what happens. So right now I'm having it at 50%. You could adjust it up, but you need to look at it to make sure the leaves are not curling and burning. So that's something to consider. There is a fair amount of heat being given off, so I do actually have it in an air-conditioned space. And right now I think it's using about 100 watts at 50%, but I do also have solar. So basically I'm running it for free. So let's see how this light performs. With a 3-year warranty, who knows, but you know, it's from Amazon, and you're not sure how good a warranty is going to be until you actually need it. I paid about $90 for this. I'll put a link below and you could check it out. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.